The problem is that Nigerians never focus on that INEC to know say na INEC gon be the weapon fashion against you. Continue to complain, the lament, make everybody conclude arrangement for 2027. By the time they come back, you have another 4 years of complaining. How many years of your life you won't use the protest for government?
So my wife you say be freedom fighters yesterday.
Yes.
That's what they be oppressors of today.
Today. Yes,
so how can you, Mr. Peter, Aka?
Yes.
Yeah. How can you prove to us say, but what's all you they do so? Not be office. Now you they try to open for yourself.
Yeah, be.
Make make pepper rest, make yourself, join the elite of society and probably can't forget the days where you say, Bob, Nigeria must better.
This talk where you talk so they very important and a very good point. Nigerians be like people who don't dey into very violent relationship. We be say they come even they no fit separate from the violent partner because they believe say they no go see better one way they outside. Nigerians are so used to bad government to the extent that if we even see good one we may not realize. I'm not here to prove a point to you. The thing I want to do, I dey do am. Let everybody watch. Let the end justify. If at the end I betray the trust, then you go know say. But in every action where I take, I go try to know say I live up to my own principles.
Well, nice one.